Hello and welcome to this session, LO3. Apply the principles of server-side development. Today, we'll explore how websites work behind the scenes, focusing on how servers process requests, manage data, and maintain security to support dynamic web applications. Server-side development occurs on the web server, not in the user's browser. When a user interacts with a website, the browser sends a request to the server. The server receives the request, runs code, processes data, and may interact with a database. Finally, it returns a response to the browser. Technologies like PHP, Node, JS, and Python are commonly used. Handling requests and responses is a key server-side principle. The server should receive requests like loading a page or submitting a form. For example, when a user submits a contact form, the server receives the data, checks it, and stores it or sends a response. This ensures the website functions smoothly. Request handling is essential for dynamic web applications. Server-side validation is crucial for data integrity. Input should not be trusted just because client-side JavaScript checks it. The server must validate fields like email format and required values. This prevents bypassing client-side validation. Proper validation ensures secure and reliable data processing. Dynamic content generation is a server-side feature. A server-side script can generate content based on data, like showing products from a database. This differs from static HTML pages, where content doesn't change. Dynamic processing allows personalized user experiences. It's a key aspect of modern web applications. Database interaction is vital in server-side development. Typical tasks include inserting, updating, and retrieving records. For example, user registration data can be stored in a MySQL database. The server confirms successful registration, ensuring data is managed effectively. Database connectivity is crucial for data-driven applications. Authentication and session management are server-side responsibilities. The server checks usernames and passwords, creating sessions for authenticated users. This allows access to protected pages. Proper session management enhances security and user experience. It's essential for controlling user access. Security is a cornerstone of server-side development. Good practices include input sanitization, validation, and secure password storage. Protection against SQL injection and using HTTPS are also crucial. The server is where important security checks occur. Ensuring security protects both data and users. Server-side development involves file handling and data submission. A server can upload files, save messages, and process orders. This shows the website is processing data, not just displaying pages. Proper file handling ensures data integrity and security. It's a practical aspect of server-side functionality. A student registration system is a simple server-side example. The user fills in a form, and the browser sends data to the server. The server validates the input and saves it to a database. It then returns a success or error message. This demonstrates request handling, validation, and database use. Client-side development focuses on layout and appearance. In contrast, server-side development emphasizes logic, data, and security. The server processes requests and manages data storage. It's the backbone of web applications, ensuring functionality behind the scenes. Understanding this difference is crucial for web development. Server-side scripting processes data sent from the client using POST. PHP is often used for this due to its simplicity. It receives POST data, validates it, and returns a response. This is essential for secure and efficient data handling. PHP's integration with HTML makes it a popular choice. Server-side scripts can handle file-based and database storage. File-based storage is suitable for simple data, while databases handle structured data. Each has its advantages and disadvantages. Proper storage choice depends on project needs. Understanding both is crucial for effective data management. CRUD operations are fundamental in server-side scripting. PHP and MySQL can create, read, update, and delete records. These operations manage data effectively in web applications. Proper implementation ensures data integrity and security. CRUD operations are a cornerstone of server-side functionality. Server-side scripting introduces potential security risks. Unsanitized input can lead to SQL injection and XSS attacks. Evaluating vulnerabilities helps identify risks and mitigation strategies. Prepared statements and input validation are essential solutions. Security evaluation is crucial for protecting web applications. SQL injection is a serious vulnerability in server-side scripting. It occurs when unsanitized input is used in SQL queries. Attackers can bypass login systems and access sensitive data. Prepared statements prevent SQL injection. Enhancing security. Proper input validation is also essential. Cross-site scripting XSS is a common server-side vulnerability. It involves injecting scripts into web pages viewed by others. This can lead to session hijacking and data theft. Escaping output and avoiding direct rendering of user input are solutions. Addressing XSS is crucial for web security. File handling vulnerabilities pose significant security risks. Malicious files can be uploaded or server files overwritten. Restricting file types and validating uploads are essential measures. Proper file handling protects against server compromise. It's a critical aspect of secure server-side development. Weak authentication and session handling are security concerns. Poorly implemented logins can lead to unauthorized access. Secure session management and HTTPS usage are solutions. Regenerating session IDs and implementing timeouts enhance security. Strong authentication is vital for protecting user data. HTTPS is crucial for secure data transmission. It prevents data interception and man-in-the-middle attacks. Using SSL, TLS certificates ensures data privacy. HTTPS is essential for protecting sensitive information. Implementing HTTPS is a fundamental security measure. Server-side web solutions face several critical vulnerabilities. SQL injection, XSS attacks, and unsanitized input are major concerns. Proper validation and sanitization are essential to mitigate these risks. Security must be enforced on the server to protect against malicious users. A well-secured server-side application ensures data integrity. Now you know how to leverage server-side development effectively. Now you know how to leverage server-side development effectively.